Excel displays hash for long text. What's wrong? We've got an Excel sheet with a pretty long text in one cell. Instead of line breaks, as set in the cell format, we get a long line of hash s. We can go back and forth by deleting and adding chars at the end of the text. We've played around with cell formatting etc. but no success. What can we do?
If the cell width is too short, Excel either simply cuts the visible text off, or it flows into the next cell, deepening if the next cell has some content in it or not. Excel displays hash when the cell content contains just text and it exceeds 256 characters, and the cell format is set to text. Usually, setting the cell format to general fixes this problem. However, if you use this cell as a data input too, for example, a field in a merged Word document, only the first 256 characters will be grabbed. I have not found a fix for this as of yet, but would like to know a solution for the later problem.
There are two reasons. A. The text is too long for the cell at its current width. Make the cell wider. Double-click on the header border to see all the text. Here's a screenshot of part of a spreadsheet. Columns P and Q contain the same data, monetary values of the same order of magnitude. P is wide enough to display the text, Q isn't. As you can see, it's displaying hash. If I double-click on the header for Q, it becomes wide enough again. B. Another case is where the column is a date and the value is out of range. If you enter 560,555,555,555,555,555,555,555,555,555, say, into a date column, you get a series of hash in the tooltip stats. Dates and times that are negative or too large display as hash. There may well be another case where Excel prints hash, but these are by far the most common.
I believe that you just need to make the cell a little wider. This, hash s, is what Excel does when it cannot display your whole entry.
How long is the cell text? What is the cell format? To edit cells with long text, expand the formula bar, Ctrl plus Shift plus U. If you just need to display an extract from the cell, you can use a formula like this to display up to the first 10 characters. Where A1 is the cell with your long text. 10 is the maximum number of characters you want to show.
If you want to support this channel, please consider subscribing.